Early curiosity, the seed of science. Humans are curious by nature. From the moment we are born, we start exploring the world around us. This innate curiosity drives us to learn and discover new things. We look at the world around us and ask questions. We wonder about the mysteries of the universe and seek answers to the unknown. Why is the sky blue? What are stars? Early humans observed nature. They learned to survive by understanding their environment. They noticed patterns in the stars and the changing seasons. They used fire for warmth and cooking. Fire was a crucial discovery that provided light protection and a way to prepare food. They made tools for hunting and gathering. These tools were essential for their survival, allowing them to hunt animals and gather plants more efficiently. This curiosity was the beginning of science. It led to the development of new technologies and innovations that improved their lives. Over time, humans developed language. They shared knowledge. They passed down stories. Language allowed them to communicate complex ideas and preserve their discoveries for future generations. These stories often explained natural events. They were a way to make sense of the world and share important information. These explanations were not always accurate, but they show our early attempts to understand the universe. Curiosity was the spark that ignited the flame of scientific inquiry. It ignited the flame of scientific inquiry. This flame has continued to burn brightly, driving us to explore, discover, and understand the world around us. Ancient roots, foundations of knowledge. The journey of human understanding began thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations made important contributions to science. Their discoveries laid the groundwork for modern knowledge. They developed systems of knowledge that were passed down through generations. These systems were meticulously recorded and preserved. The Mesopotamians were skilled astronomers. They observed the stars and planets with great precision. They tracked the movements of celestial bodies and created calendars. The Egyptians developed geometry, which was crucial for their architectural feats. They used it for surveying land and building pyramids. The precision of their constructions still amazes us today. In India, mathematicians made significant advancements. Their contributions were pivotal in the development of mathematics. They developed the concept of zero and made strides in algebra and trigonometry. These innovations were revolutionary. Ancient Greeks emphasized reason and logic. Their philosophical inquiries laid the foundation for Western thought. They made important discoveries in mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. Their work influenced countless generations of scholars. Thinkers like Pythagoras, Euclid, and Hippocrates laid the groundwork for future scientific progress. Their legacies continue to inspire us. Revolutionizing thought. The scientific revolution. The scientific revolution marked a turning point. It was a new way of thinking about the world. It emphasized observation, experimentation, and mathematical reasoning. Nicholas Copernicus challenged the geocentric view of the universe. He proposed that Earth revolves around the sun. Galileo Galilei made groundbreaking observations with the telescope. He supported Copernicus's heliocentric theory. Isaac Newton developed the laws of motion and universal gravitation. These laws revolutionized our understanding of physics. The scientific revolution was a period of remarkable progress. Section 4. Modern Marvels, Science Shaping the World. The 19th and 20th centuries witnessed incredible advancements. Science became increasingly specialized. New disciplines emerged. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection. This theory revolutionized biology. Marie Curie's pioneering research in radioactivity opened up new frontiers in physics and chemistry. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity transformed our understanding of space, time, and gravity. These discoveries led to countless innovations. Electricity transformed our lives. The invention of the telephone, the automobile, and the airplane revolutionized communication and transportation. Section 5. Future Frontiers, Science in a Changing World. Science continues to push boundaries, constantly evolving and adapting to the needs of our ever-changing world. From the smallest particles to the vast expanse of the universe, science is our tool for understanding and innovation. We are exploring new frontiers in space, seeking to understand our place in the cosmos. Missions to Mars, the Moon, and beyond are not just dreams, but active projects that promise to expand our horizons and potentially offer new homes for humanity. We are unraveling the mysteries of the human brain, delving into the complexities of consciousness, memory, and cognition. Advances in neuroscience are paving the way for breakthroughs in mental health, artificial intelligence, and human-machine interfaces. We are developing artificial intelligence, creating machines that can learn, adapt, and even think. These innovations are transforming industries from healthcare to finance, and raising important ethical questions about the future of human and machine coexistence. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges today, affecting every corner of the globe. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and shifting ecosystems are urgent issues that require immediate and sustained action. Scientists are working on solutions, developing technologies and strategies to combat climate change. From carbon capture to sustainable agriculture, innovative approaches are being tested and implemented to secure a livable future. They are researching renewable energy sources, harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to create sustainable and clean energy. These efforts are crucial for reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and mitigating environmental impact. They are studying ways to mitigate the effects of climate change, monitoring environmental changes, and developing adaptive strategy. This research is vital for protecting vulnerable communities and preserving biodiversity. The future of science is filled with possibilities, driven by human curiosity and ingenuity. Emerging technologies promise to revolutionize our lives, from quantum computing to biotechnology, offering solutions to some of our most pressing challenges. It holds both challenges and opportunities, requiring collaboration across disciplines and borders. The scientific community is more interconnected than ever, working together to push the boundaries of knowledge and innovation. As we continue to explore the universe, we seek answers to fundamental questions about our existence and the nature of reality. Space exploration not only fuels our imagination, but also drives technological advancements that benefit life on Earth. As we continue to unlock the secrets of nature, we gain insights into the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. From the depths of the oceans to the genetic code, every discovery brings us closer to understanding the natural world. One thing remains certain: our curiosity will continue to drive scientific exploration. The next generation of scientists, inspired by the wonders of today, will carry forward the torch of discovery, ensuring that the quest for knowledge never ends. Science will shape the future of humanity, guiding us through the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Together, we will build a world where knowledge and innovation lead to a brighter, more sustainable future for all.